Hey guys, Jorge here. So today we're gonna restore the headlights on this Nissan Xterra. We got the headlight lens restore from Turtle Wax. So let's see what we got here. So we got the lens, prime fire compound, the lubricant, the sandpapers, and then a microfiber towel. So first we're gonna, these pads are number 1, 2, 3, and 4. So first we're gonna spray the headlight, and then we're gonna go with the number 1 and go up and down. These headlights are not that bad. We're just trying to take the yellow end off of it. Alright, so we're gonna respray it again. And now we're gonna go, we went up and down, we're gonna go across with the number 2. Alright, so we're done with that. Now we're gonna go with the number 3. Respray it again. Now we're gonna go back up to up and down. Okay, the last one, we spray it again, going across to finish. And then take your time with this one. This is the last touch. You want to get all the little scratches on this one out. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and dry it out. Alright, so you're gonna dry it out. Okay, now that it's dry, we're gonna take the compound and just dab it on there all over the headlight. I got gloves, so I'm just gonna spread it with my finger real quick. I'm gonna dry it wherever it spreads out. Alright. Now I'm gonna buff it out. Alright guys, so look at the clean headlight and look at the old one right here. It's a big difference. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.